Well, let me take this opportunity to welcome you on board. I am so excited, and I'm sure you would be equally excited today that you have received your e-kit for Online Education Center. And today you're starting your journey to be an online entrepreneur. Today you're starting a journey where you can actually make a big difference and impact the lives of students and adults, and also at the same time create a kind of a lifestyle, the dream lifestyle that you always desire to have with you, right? Sitting at home, at the comfort of your home, you are now designing a beautiful life. And I really feel that you should, the very first thing that you should have, to achieve or to start the journey should be the right mindset. Before we begin the journey, it is very important that you should have the right mindset, because business is first the mindset, then is the planning, then is the implementation. So this is the mail that you have already received it. It would say eKit Online Education Center, and so when you open up this mail, which says greetings from Mindpriest, let me once again congratulate for starting your new venture. I feel privileged to take you on board and shall be happy to assist you in your entrepreneurial journey. We are confident that we are going to co-create a happy world by impacting lives through our various programs. Kindly follow the following instruction to download your products. The step number one is download the zip folder with the name Online Education Center. So you have to download that. You have to extract the folder. Uh, Click run it anyway if it shows the risk or error. If click yes if it shows any risk in your window. Don't worry about it, it is safe. Then when you click this particular venture, you will see something like this kind of an image, right? So let me click this. All right, the moment you open it up, you'll find, this is what exactly is your e-kit for Online Education Center is going to look like. You will have psychometric, you'll have PPTs, you'll have music files, FB campaigns, ebooks, and training modules, right? These are things that you have it. Now let's start from the psychometric test software. There are two things that we have it. One is the psychometric test software. This is the software in form of an Excel sheet. So the very first thing that you have to do is you have to download it, right? Here is the download button. You'll have to download it. That is the first thing. It's in form of an Excel. The software is being made in an Excel on macro, so you don't have to get confused that it is just one Excel sheet. It is a complete software in itself, right? And once this is being downloaded, you can open it up, and it will ask for enabling macros. You can enable the macros, right? This software will be something like this. All right, it is like this. Okay, so what you have to do is, this is pre-filled. You can actually delete these. So it is just to give you an idea, when you talk about this kind of a questionnaire. This is the questionnaire. There's two sheets, sheet 1 and sheet 2. These are the two sheets in this, right? Now what you have to do is, this is a complete software, and in sheet 1 is the questionnaire. So what you have to do is, you have to, whosoever has to take up the test will have to fill in the questionnaire. Okay, for example, uh, this particular sheet is something wherein these are the 80 questions that you have it. So the children who are between the age group of 8 to 16 years will have to only attempt the red questions, and the children who are 16 and above can answer all the 80 questions that you have, right? Now these are the questions that you have it, and the answer is primarily in 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you really select the column or particular box, it will show score is like 1 mostly disagree, 2 is slightly disagree, 3 is slightly agree, and 4 is mostly agree. So this is, it's only 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the way one has to answer. Okay, now this has to be answered by the one who takes up the test. Now this is the way it's being answered, and then you have a personal information. Here we have written Mindpriest sample, then the date of birth, then the email ID, contact number, you can write it down, and this is the address and the city. Okay, so this is to be filled. Now what happens is, you don't have to send the complete software to the customer. The only thing that you have to do is you have to send this particular sheet, which is a questionnaire and the personal information. This is to be filled by the customer. You can email it to them and they can send it back to you. So I have already separately given you this sheet number 1 only, because that's the only thing that you require to send it by email to the customer, right? And so once you do that, on sheet number 2, automatically the report is being generated, right? You can see that there's a report which is being generated. This is the report which is being generated. Now what you have to do is, so whatever the changes that you do, for example, if you change it here and you write down RAJUL, and when you go to sheet number 2, see here it has changed, right? If you really look at it, it has changed. It has changed. So information will automatically change. That's the algorithm that it has got it, right? Now what you have to do is, you have to simply go to the file and save as, and then what you have to do is, you have to select here, let's say PDF. Okay, you have to select a PDF, then it will give you an option of workbook, sheet and selection. So you'll have to select sheet, which is already selected here. Now where do you have to save is, let's say I want to save it in the desktop. Okay, and I say psychometric test report. So I'll say psychometric test report, PTR, a short form of whom, Raju, let's say. Okay, so then I will just say save. The moment I do that, I think it's already being saved, and this is the report which is already being generated. Yeah, if you really look at it, let me put it 100%. So this is the complete report which is generated. It's with the name, this is the multiple intelligence, right? This is the McKinsey theory. This is the Gardner's multiple intelligence theory. It basically describes about the everything. Here I'm not actually explaining the report, I'm just trying to explain how it is generated, right? Then these are about the multiple intelligence, what career suits them best, all the stuff. This is about the type of personality through the Rias theory that you come to know about it. And it is basically the details given, what kind of a values, what kind of a personality the person will have, what kind of a learning style, the potential aptitudes, the environment that the child will require. So this is what exactly is there. And then finally it's about the best career option, so this is the report which is generated, and this is something, once that's being generated, the only thing that you have to do is, this PDF file of 9 pages is something that you have to mail it to the customer, and then again that you have to generate another report, right? So this is what is going to happen. So we'll go to, so this is the software, right? Park it somewhere, and you have to download it. Without download, if it's there in the Google Drive, it won't work, right? I'm telling you the simple thing because there are many instances I face this challenge where people just don't download, and then they say it's not working, the cells, there's nothing changing as such, right? Now second thing is, like, let's say if you want to change, the only thing that I suggest is, you should not have these Mindpriest thing. You have to have your own logo, right? So how do you have your own logo? To change that, you have to go to review. Here you will go to review, and you will go to sheet. Okay, it will ask for a password. The password is 28072015, and you press OK. It's already being provided to you in the sheet itself. Now this can be removed. I can delete this. Okay, I can delete this. Okay, so whatever that you want to delete, obviously you have to have your own brand. You cannot run with the Mindpriest brand. You just have to incorporate your logos. That is all that you have to do. Okay, so you can incorporate, and then thereafter you can again protect it. Okay, 28072015, 28072015. What all the things you want to lock, you can do that, but I think let it be whatever it is automatically done. I think that's safe enough for you to forward. Okay, so this is what the way you can change the logo for yourself. So this has happened. This is about the psychometric test software. This is about the psychometric test questionnaire, right? Now again, this is the questionnaire which you have to sell it to the which you have to send it to the customer to be filled in, because that's the software, right? So this is the questionnaire. So this is the questionnaire that you have to send it across to the customer. Once the customer, fills up this questionnaire, what you have to do is you have to download it. Once you download it, you have to select this particular column, and this particular column, that is the answer column, and you have to paste it in the sheet number 1 of the software. Okay, there are 2 sheets. In sheet number 1 you have to paste it. So you don't have to write down separately 1, 4, these numbers. You don't have to write it down. You just have to copy and paste. That's it. The moment you have pasted in sheet number 2, the report is generated. You save as PDF, and it's good enough to be sent across to the customer, right? We have deliberately made it simple so that's no challenge for you to fill it up. All right. So that's about the psychometric test software, where majorly the queries comes in, that how do you operate that. Then when it comes to PPTs, there are different PPTs for all the study skills that's required. There are 8 sessions, as I said. So these are the PPTs which you require. So you don't have to do anything right now with the PPT. What you have to do is, on these PPTs only the MP4s are made. These are the 11 modules for learning, and this is where you have to start your journey from. Psychometric test, you have it, psychometric test, wheel of life, memory technique, PEG system, memory technique major, speed reading, mind mapping, goal setting, NLP, removing negative emotions, sales, digital marketing. So you have to do 1 to 9 or 10 modules, 1 to 10 modules to begin with, and these are YouTube links. So it might click and directly take you there, but some may not click. So you just have to copy that and Control C and Control V onto the URL, and these are in the YouTube. This will open up. So that's the first thing that you have to do. Now the best thing to learn the study skills is, you remember we were talking about the PPTs which are there. Now these PPTs, this YouTube, these videos are live workshops that was conducted by us. It's a record of that only. It's a live workshop that we're conducting with the students generally, most of them. And so that's the way you will be delivering, and it's on the same PPT which has been provided to you. So the only change that you have to do with the PPTs is you can change the logo and put your logo, and that is all that you have to do. Okay, and you can start your journey with that, right? So how do you learn? To learn that, you have to first, let's say when we talk about a wheel of life. So wheel of life, once you've seen that, you have to do it yourself. Number 1, you have to be a student to do it yourself. And once you've done it, then what you have to do is you have to then use the PPT, and on the Zoom platform, you have to record as if you are demonstrating that to the student, and that will be a practice. At the same time, that will build up your confidence onto the subject. These are the PPTs which are created, keeping in mind that the student who's 10 years old is a target customer. So you can understand these are fun. It is fun. You would love it. Children would love it. These are simple concepts and techniques, and you would thoroughly enjoy that, right? So that will build up your confidence. Even if you're a confident trainer, at least you get accustomed to the new subject, and then what is the amount of time it will take to deliver, and what fun value that you want to add up further from your side, whatever it is. So in totality, this is what we are talking about it. So for everything that you did, that you watched uh, the video tutorial, you have to work and do the assignment as a student. Then you have to record that onto the Zoom platform or any other platform for that matter, where you can record that as if you are demonstrating it to the set of students, and that will actually make you practice the complete thing. So you do it for every PPT, these 8 PPTs you must do it, right? Or these 8 PPTs you must do it, and once you will do that, you will be extremely confident, and the subject matter itself will build up your confidence, right? So here you go. So this is about the training modules. That's what exactly you have to start from. And PPTs, I've already shared the PPTs, like, and what is the function of it, how you can use it. Then comes in the music file. Music files mein you have something about the information about the infant music therapy. This is the pranic healing, and this is the special musics. Now in special music, it's with the name of giveaway music. You have this is the infant music therapy from second month, third month, fourth month, fifth month. The timings during that point of time, you'll have to listen to the music, to get the benefit out of it. So then you have memory music, as it was being promised to you, the positive energy music. In self branding, you have a concentration music, hypnosis for music, which has not talked to you, but we are giving you study music and all chakra music. Now this is all that we are giving you. So you have to download these files once for all. And apart from that, you have the FB campaigns. Now FB campaigns may you have the, if you want to start the online career coaching thing, you have that image. Okay, is the text and that was the image. So in this, like, what is that, all that you require is being already given to you. So it's about a certified memory master. If you want to run the memory workshop, so what should be the content, what should be the text, everything that the Facebook ad campaign needs, it we have given in the same fashion, same sequence we have given it to you. Online career coaching, again we have given you the complete thing, right? So good to start, the campaign. So you have the tutorial also. When you watch the tutorial, you'll have to try to load the campaign yourself, for the reason so that your learning curve is good. And once you have done that, then we are more than willing to come online and check your campaign before you publish it, right? So we have the tutorial that is over here. We have the digital marketing last tutorial. This is the one. So when you want to launch the campaign, it will take about 2 hours maybe for the first time, but that's the way you launch the campaign. Then you have finally the ebooks. Ebooks is something that is the speed reading and memory techniques PDF, and this is something which can be given to the student, and where these are really valuable, very meaningful. So this is something that we need to be giving to the student, and the student can enjoy this. This can be given as a bonus also. You want to sell it, you can sell it also, whatever it is. So I wish you a very happy journey. Start with the module 1, start from the learning, and once everything happens, then what you have to do is, towards the end of it, once you've done it, like once the learning part is over, all your modules are completed till module 9, what I want is, then you should take the psychometric test for 3 people, generate their report, and consult the parents on the Zoom platform, record it, maybe send one to me, so that I can give you a feedback on the improvement area. Because counseling is all about the practice. Rest is understanding. The report is simple. You can actually, you can understand the report very well. There's no problems about it. And if you read at least the report 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, it will actually give you a new thing every time. As in, when you're free, just read the report. Okay. Once you do it couple of times, what will happen is, and then at the same time, if you consult 2, 3 people, 4 people, 5 people, that is what is going to make you confident about it, right? And then I will also give you a feedback. If at all you share with me one of the recordings, so that I can actually give you the feedback, how it is, and which are the areas that you can improve upon. That's completely your choice if you want to do that. If you don't want to do that, it's again okay with me, but I suggest you should do that. Okay, now that's about it. So once you're ready with it, so then the practice part is over. Now comes in the third step. Third step is launching yourself. Third step is launching the campaign, generating inquiries. So once the inquiries are generated, then you have to deal with those inquiries. You know, there's a I would also load a telecalling script, if it requires. So generally, then is the time you have to actually like speak to them, you have to convert them, you might have to send them the WhatsApp, you might have to send them the email, so all that stuff, right? So this is all that we have it in this particular kit. So I wish you a very happy journey. I'm there to support you any point of time. Don't hesitate to seek a help. We are there for this only, and we are there to see that you're successful. So with this, wish you a very happy journey and happy entrepreneurship. And once again, congratulations and welcome on board. This is Rajul Srivastava signing off. Thank you so much.